Hey Branson peeps, this is Dr. St Onge, and today I'm going to show you an adjustment. This is my beautiful wife Jenny, and she's going to let me adjust her on film. First thing I'm going to do is check for alignment in the pelvis. I do that by checking the leg length, and on Jenny, her right leg is quite a bit shorter than her left. Show that. And so typically as we bring the legs up, they'll even out. So you see how they even out. So that tells us that and also I've adjusted her before, so I know that that misalignment is in her pelvis. It's not that she actually has a short leg. And so we're going to go ahead and adjust that. And so now her legs are a little bit more even. I didn't quite get it all, but definitely a little bit more even. So there's definitely some more misalignment in there. We're going to check her mid-back for some misalignments right here. So now she's pretty much even. So now I'm going to work on her SC joint. A lot of times the muscles in the chest muscles will get tight, pull the shoulder forward like this, and it puts a lot of strain on the neck. So we'll do a little something here to loosen that up. Smile for the camera, Jenny.
That was tight.
Yeah. Now I'm going to check her shoulders. A lot of times shoulders get out of alignment, so we'll. Oh, that's good. So there it is. There's an adjustment on Dr. Jenny. Thank you guys. Have a great day.